Hello everyone, this is Curtis at home in the kitchen cooking. That's right. Hey, what I'm going to be having tonight, I just got home from doing a little work there. So got that out the way. So now kind of hungry. So I said, well, let me see what can I fix tonight. So I don't want a big meal. Just want something simple. And that's what I'm going to have. So I don't know if y'all ever heard of some Manwich, and that's what I'm gonna have. What I'm talking about is this right here. This here is the sauce right here, the Manwich. So yeah. So we're gonna fix this, and the way you fix it, just all you need is some ground beef, and I still have some left over from last week when I was cooking. You see right there, that's all you need. And you get you some of that out of there, put it in the skillet, cook it down, and then you take and pour the sauce over it, just stir it around, and then you have you some buns. I got some hamburger buns that I'm gonna use, and see if we can get a manwich sandwich here together. Just light. This is real simple. So let me get some of this hamburger meat out of this bun and get it into a skillet. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. So as you can see, I just broke some of that off of there right there. And we got that. So let me grab a little skillet right here. We're just gonna take this skillet right here and we're gonna transfer our hamburger meat right here. We're just gonna grab it, drop it in there. Then we're gonna take and move it over to the stove. And what I like to do is, because this meat is already thawed out, so I just take and move it around in the skillet like that right there. Just get it all out there like that. So I think this is gonna be enough. Yeah, we're just gonna smash it all over the skillet. We're gonna cook it down. So I just take it and move it around like that. This is already good. It's already thawed out, so we just want to fill the skillet up like this right here. You see, I'm just taking and mashing this all around right here in the skillet. Yeah, okay. So this is gonna be enough right here. I can probably get what can we say? We can probably get about 2 sandwiches out of this using the manwich. Okay, so now we're just gonna take and walk it over here. I'm gonna turn the stove on, and we're gonna put it at probably about like at a medium right there. And what we're gonna do is let this here just cook, simmer until it's well done all the way through on both sides. So give me a few minutes on this, and I'll be back, and we'll get our manwich sandwich together. Okay. Okay, guys, you can see it right here. I'm getting it all cooked up, getting this hamburger meat here cooked up. Now we are getting a little grease in there, so I'm gonna take and drain that off of there before we add the manwich sauce in here. So got a little bit more here. See, it's still a little red here. We're gonna cook it all the way through. We want it well done. So just take a little time just to get it cooked all the way through here. Just have to keep turning it till we get it all cooked up all the way through. Yeah, and this is that good ground chuck, good fresh. yeah. Looking good, looking good. Now this meal is quick and easy, very simple to put together. Doesn't take a lot of effort, to put something like this here together. And I just didn't feel like cooking a lot tonight, so I said, well, why not fix a Manwich sandwich? And you can get that at a lot of different little stores. I think I got this one. I think I picked this up at Walmart, and Walmart also has their own sauce. A lot of them, basically, this is more like a sloppy Joe, sloppy Joe sandwich, but they just call it, they give it a name. This one, that's their brand, Manwich. But it's just like a sloppy Joe sauce that you can, put together to make you one of these sandwiches. It's been around for some years. I remember when I was little, and we used to have these in school. And basically, you just have some good sauce. Actually, you can make your own sauce and, have you like a good sloppy Joe sandwich, Manwich. So I always like to make sure that I get this cooked all the way through. And as you can see, looks like it's good. Cooking all the way through. So see, like this is right here, right now. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to take and I'm going to drain all of this fat off of here, the grease contents that's left over from the meat. So I'm going to take and drain that off. I'm going to pour all of that out of there. So we got it all cooked up here. Okay, and then I'll come back and we'll put the Manwich sauce on it. Okay, so just give me a minute and let me remove this here and get all of that fat off of there, that grease. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour the grease off of here, and normally I have a basket right here. So this is the way I do it. I want to get all of that grease off of there. I take and I pour it off in my, I'm just sharing. I got a little tin pan, and I take and I pour it off in there, and just to get all of the grease off of the meat there. When let it drain. Okay. So just get that out of there, and let's get all that grease out of there. Okay, so now that's in the pan, and what I want to do is I just take and I shake it around in my little screening basket here. I'm gonna get all of that grease out of there, so you can see. Now you see all the grease down in there. So that's come off of the hamburger meat. So we got that out of there. Okay. So now that I have that all dried off of that grease, just shake it, let it drain a little bit more. So I'm gonna shake it. Okay. So give me a minute, and let me what it is I want to take and wash my skillet out, and then we're gonna transfer the ground beef back into the pan, and then we're gonna add the Manwich sauce. So just give me a minute. Okay, so now that I have my skillet all washed out, I didn't want to leave any of the fat content in there. I wanted to wash it out real good. So now I can add the ground beef back in there. Here we go, right here. So this is what I'm gonna do. I I don't want that grease, that fat, greasy content in there. So we drain all that off of there. And what it is, sometimes, the fat, if you mix that with it, it doesn't give it a good taste. You're tasting like a lot of the fat in it. So I wanted to make sure that I drained all that off of there. And we got it. So you see how I do it. So now we're going to go over here and got the top off of my Manwich right here. So you can see this is the way the Manwich sauce look right here. Look at that. See that? So we're just going to take and pour that in there. See that? So we empty the can into that over our ground beef. And so then what we'll do, we're gonna turn the stove back on, and I'm finishing cooking it a little bit more with the sauce. I want to warm the sauce in there, so I just want to stir it around like that. You see? So we're gonna give it a good little flavor here. And on this, all you have to do, you don't have to have it real high or anything. You can have it at a low heat. Just turn it around a little bit in there so you can get that good flavor in it. Yeah. So we got it. Yeah, have it on turn it down like on a low right there. So you can see this is the way everything looks with this Manwich sauce on this grind beef. So we're gonna have a good little Manwich sauce. Oh, the season is gonna be great on this. Oh yeah, look at this right here. Ooh, it's looking good, looking good. So I have it turned down low. So I just want to stir it around, and we're gonna get a plate here in a minute, and we're gonna fix us one of these Manwich sandwiches. Something real quick and easy. Don't have to put a lot of preparation in it. Just put a little time in it. Just put it together, and you can see this is the way it turned out. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, real simple and easy. Oh yeah. Yep. So see, you're just warming it in there, warming that sauce over that grind beef. Look at that. Oh yeah. Smelling good. This smells good here. Oh yeah. So you just wanna get that flavor sauce all over the meat. So just stirring it around. Oh yeah, look at that. I'll tell you guys, while I'm standing over here just stirring the sauce over it, it is really calling my name. It's smelling good. It's smelling good. Okay, now it's good and warm. So now, give me a minute, and I'm gonna see if I can take and place some of it on the hamburger buns here. Okay, as you can see, I have two of these hamburger buns right here. So we're gonna fix two of them. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it over here by the stove here. And we're just gonna take and we're gonna put some of this sauce on here. See if we can have us one. Yeah, let it cool down a little. So we're just gonna take and add some of this right in here. Oh yeah. Gonna put a lot on it. And this is real easy. I mean, fix this, and it's filling too, I tell you. Put that on there, and you just have a really good, quick and easy meal. If you don't want to cook a lot or something. No, you just got home and you said, well, I'm not gonna really want to fix a big meal tonight, so I'm just gonna fix me one of these little Manwich, which is nothing but a sloppy Joe with some sauce over some grind ground. Well, they say hamburger meat. Yeah. So that's what we have right here. So we fix that, put that on there. I like to put a little bit more. We got plenty of it, so you can always, you know, fix another one. So this is great. Quick and easy. Yeah, quick and easy. You know when it's quick and easy, you can already just go on and fix your two of them. Cause sometimes one ain't enough. Well, at least for me, one is not enough. I had to have two of them, so that's what we got right here. Okay. So let's see. And like I say, I like to add a lot of that on there. Make it real good. And then once you got it all on there to a level that you want it, then you just put this here on here. And then you're ready to, hey, chow down on it. Oh yeah. So let me see. Let's see, guys, if I can share me chowing down on this right here. Y'all see what it looks like? Okay. So let's turn the camera around and see if I can taste this for you. Yeah, let's see. It's just tasty. It's real good. Well, I got me two of them. One ain't gonna be enough. Oh yeah. So guys, what can I say? Great. Have your good Manwich sandwich. Anyway, hey, I thought I was thinking about y'all, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna share this with y'all. And so hey, if you're in the market, don't wanna cook a lot, then you can do something quick and simple by having your Manwich sandwich. Anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I got to go now because I got to finish up my Manwich sandwich. Y'all take care. I'll be back soon with another video. Bye for now. Bye.